In Girona, I love the river running through it and the fact that we have bridges over it so you can get a really good view. Also the beautiful coloured houses on the river. I wish we had more time to go and explore the small streets, the very small old medieval streets. The cathedral was really impressive, particularly because there were no columns, so it was very open space. But on such a hot day when it's 41, 42 degrees, you enter the cathedral. It's so cool. And there's of course no air conditioning, but it just shows how the stone makes everything cool. It's very insulated. Compared with other old medieval cities, it's actually quite accessible. Everywhere there are curb cuts, so you don't have to worry about the pavements, getting on and off the pavements. It's very, very well planned with the curb cuts. The cobbles are not too big, they're quite flat. And even a lot of the shops have ramps to get into them.